feel like an absolute idiot, and I know that I'm going to get an absolute bashing for it.
30, you said?
When Nadia gets busted for 30 ingredients, I just couldn't believe it. But that's the scary thing about MasterChef. Any one of us can have a bad day, and it could cost you a place in the competition.
Cameron?
I have 15 ingredients.
Just the 15?
Yes.
Jax?
I have 15 ingredients.
The people with the least amount of ingredients are Jax and Cameron. So what I'm going to ask Jax and Cameron to do is to each take 5 ingredients off Nadia. And Cameron, you can select first.
When Cameron comes up to my tray, I think, is he picking ingredients that he wants, or is he picking ingredients that he knows I really need?
I didn't want to take any ingredients off it, but, you know, I needed eggs to bind my potato rosti. I forgot the eggs in the pantry. I forgot tomatoes. Fortunately, Nadia had some. Pancetta. You know, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Chives, I took those for a bit of colour in my dish.
Last minute, as he walks away, he takes my saffron, which is a biggie. And so at that point, I thought, he's taking it to take away the ingredients I really need.
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
OK, Jax, let's go. 5 ingredients off Nadia.
Jax takes my tortillas, sweet paprika. She takes my eggplant as well. So she's taken quite a few essential ingredients.
It wasn't strategic in any way. I just took what was handy.
So looking down at my now 20 ingredients, I think, damn, I can't do that. And I can't do that. I can't do that. Oh, I can't do that either.
You know, Nadia's going to feel the pinch in this challenge. She's left with bugger all, really.
Nadia, you know rules are rules.
Yeah, I know. I'm a good cook and I'm very creative, and I can think of lots of things that I can do with all of this, so I'll be sweet.
4 dishes, 2 hours. Your time starts now.
I'm not too sure what I'm making yet. I was going to use tortillas to make tortilla baskets, but I don't have the tortillas anymore. So maybe I'll just give it a go trying to make some tortillas.
Nadia, so you got left with 20 ingredients.
Yeah. I'm sorry for looking like such an idiot in front of you.
You said you're a really good cook, so now we'll see.
Tell us what you're doing here now.
Well, I haven't thought of it 100%. I'm just kind of thinking as I go. But with this chorizo meat, I thought I could take that out of the sausage, do a chorizo rolled around chorizo. Yep, and I'll keep building on that.
Is this competition getting on top of you? You're hacking it?
Yeah.
This means a lot to you, right?
Yeah, it does.
Well, let me tell you, Nadia, you can cook. You've got enough ingredients, so just get head down, ass up, and make it happen, because you're quite capable.
I know.
Good luck. You'll be all right.
Nice to meet you, Peter.
Fiona, what are we doing?
I'm doing pea mint soup with crispy chorizo and a crumb. I've got some pan-seared chicken thighs there, and I've done a green olive and tomato and pepper concoction with some sherry for that to go in. The vegetarian dish is a saffron potato. I'm going to do a kind of interesting poached egg on top, and scallops and prawns with a lemon and paprika sauce.
Right.
I get the feeling that you're quite comfortable with these flavours, because we've done on previous dishes, this is where you've been headed in this direction a few times before, right?
Yeah, which makes me extra nervous. I really feel like this challenge is mine to lose because I'm really passionate about Spanish flavours. Paprika, saffron, tomatoes, chilli, garlic, you know, those are the sort of flavours that I love, and if I can't pull these 4 dishes together and get into that top 2 or 3, I'm going to look like a fool.
I'm gonna just crush up some kiwi fruit and put with the squid. We learned about it in MasterClass the other day, so it helps to tenderise the squids.
Tracy Lee, what are you going to make for Peter?
Hi, Simon. Hi, Peter.
How are you?
I'm pretty excited, and I think it's just being in your company. It's really exciting to be in the presence of Peter Gordon, and then it dawns on me, oh, my goodness, he's gonna eat my food. So I'm going to do a manchego cheese potato croquette. For the chicken, I'm going to do little chicken balls and some green olive and some lemon. And then for the chorizo, I'm kind of thinking along the lines of chorizo with Spanish red onion and some paprika. My husband at home hates it.
I think you
love
need
it.
to drop your husband, darling. It's the best thing in the whole world.
I
Find a
know.
new fella.
It's,
Go find a Spaniard.
A Spaniard.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Sounds really good. Yeah.
You know, I haven't won a challenge yet, but today I'm feeling pretty confident, yeah.
Today's challenge is to create 4 Spanish tapas dishes in 2 hours. I've been to Spain about 3 times. If you've been to the country, you're like a step ahead of everyone already.
Anthony, tell us what you're making for us.
I've marinated some chicken thighs in like paprika, garlic, and I'm going to serve that on top of like a kind of like a paella type rice. And then Spanish tortilla. I'm going to do the prawns served with like a roux and.
What did you call it? You mean a rui?
Rui, that's the one.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's kind of French, I think.
It is, but they do. I've seen this in tapas bars in Spain.
Get it done, man. Get it done.
30 minutes to go, and all I'm thinking is, I know that I can do it, and if I could pull it off, that would just be awesome. The judges think that I'm fading a bit, or maybe even giving up, but they're so wrong.
Is this you, this one?
Yes.
Yeah, and so that's honey, chicken,
Yeah, red wine liqueur vinegar.
red wine liqueur.
Yeah.
Right. And what are the little things in the patty pan thing?
Smoked paprika pastry.
Oh, this is
Yeah.
great.
That's going to go with the scallops and the prawns.
Nadia, it all sounds great, but if you don't finish,
I
it
know.
will mean nothing.
Yeah. All I'm thinking is you've just got to get it up on the plate, and I'd love to prove to those two that strategically took my Spanish ingredients that I can beat them.
4 minutes left, guys. 4 minutes.
When I took my chorizo roll out of the oven, it was a bit of a gamble. And I didn't know how long that was going to take to cook. Please work, please work. As I cut into the chorizo, I just think, please be cooked right through. You've got to do this for me. Yes. Yeah, it's cooked through.
My head is spinning. I grab up egg. It's just not quite cooked, but I think I had just to save it.
2 minutes, everybody. 2 minutes.
I have the croquettes in the oven on a really nice low temperature so that they can just remain warm, ready for plating. So I finish all my 3 other dishes and I look in the oven and the croquettes have blown out. These little babies have burst in the oven. That wasn't supposed to happen. And I'm like, no! And then I kind of feel sick.
1 minute, 60 seconds, and everything needs to be up and on the plate.
So I think, you know what? Just plate and just trust that, you know, I've done my best.
30 seconds to go.
I was just going nuts trying to get it all onto a plate.
Ten, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away from your bench. Don't touch anything.
The last 3 minutes was pretty hectic. Yeah. Up until the very last minute, I still hadn't 100% decided what that dish was going to be. Yeah, pretty crazy. It's been a very tiring day.
It was hectic. I got my 4 plates out though. Presentations are okay. I don't know. Like, I've never really cooked Spanish foods.
I just cooked in front of Peter Gordon, so, you know, if I take nothing else from that,